At Compass, we've always taken a manufacturing approach, working with Vertiv to deploy a white space solution that integrates seamlessly within our existing prototype, eliminates the inefficiencies that plague fit-outs.
It works with our existing infrastructure without reinventing the wheel. Custom designs involve a lot of moving parts on site: design, install, and test. We worked with Vertiv engineers to standardize the design, yet make it customizable where it matters.
Vertiv SmartRun modular design complements Compass strategy by extending that design and manufacturing approach from our OFCI components all the way through to the customer rack deployments. Industry requirements are changing rapidly. Vertiv SmartRun gives us ultimate flexibility in meeting the customer demands as they are today, and it gives us a modular approach to adapt to changing needs in the future. So whether it's AI-driven density or future-ready configurations, Vertiv SmartRun helps us adapt without starting from scratch.